Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to the Rising Star Academy. Today we are going to learn about the basic trigonometry. So let's start. In first question, we can see that the sine x having the value of half. So we need to find the basic angles for that, and then we will find the other two possible angles on which sine x having the value of half. Now, for solution, we need to write the result again. To find the basic angle alpha, we need to find sine inverse of half, and because the domain is in radian mode, so we need to find the angle in radian mode. So sine inverse of half, that would become pi by 6 or 30 degree. In the next step, we will see the value where the sine is positive, because here you can see that the sine having positive half value. So we'll see the quadrants. So here you can see the positive value of sine function. So the sine is positive in the first quadrant as well as in the second quadrant. So in first quadrant there is no change in the angle, and in the second quadrant you need to subtract the basic angle alpha from pi. So here the alpha would be remain equals to x or theta, and here you can subtract from 180 or the pi. That depends upon the value of the domain. So for first quadrant, there is no change, so alpha is equals to x, that is equals to pi over 6. For second quadrant, alpha x is equals to pi minus alpha, so pi minus pi over 6. So we need to subtract pi by 6 from pi, so we will make the denominator same. For that purpose, I would multiply pi with 6 and divide it by 6. So now the denominator are same. So I would take the LCM. The LCM is 6. So I would write 6 pi minus pi. So 6 pi minus pi, that would become 5 pi over 6. So this is our answer. If you want to verify either the answer is correct or not, so you can put these angles into the calculator, okay, to check the answer is coming half or not. So I will use the calculator here to verify our answer. The calculator should be in radian mode. So I will write sine of shift with pi divided by 6. So you can see we get the half. Now we will check the sine for 5 pi by 6. The same half is the answer, so it's verified that our answer is correct. Now we will move to the next problem. In this question, the sign having the negative value, and we know that the sign is negative in the third and the fourth quadrant. So now we will solve. First of all, we need to find the basic angle. So alpha is equals to sine inverse of square root 3 by 2. So I'm taking it without negative sign. So the alpha would come pi over 3. We know that the sign is negative in third and fourth quadrant. Let me show you. So here tan is positive. It means the sine value would negative over here, and here cosine is positive, so sine value is negative here. Okay, so for third quadrant we need to add alpha into pi. Okay, here you can see. And for the fourth quadrant we need to subtract alpha or basic angle from 2 pi. So now here in this question we'll write for third quadrant x is equals to pi plus alpha, so pi plus pi over 3. Now we will make the denominator same. For that we'll multiply by 3 and then divide it by 3 to make the denominator equal. So it's the rule, when you divide it by any number you should multiply that number as well. Now the LCM would come 3. So 3 pi plus pi, the answer is 4 pi over 3. For fourth quadrant, the x is equals to 2 pi minus alpha, so 2 pi minus pi over 3. So I will make the denominator same. So multiply and divide it by 3. 3 and over here as well 3. So now it will come 6 pi over 3 minus pi over 3. So 3 would be the LCM. 6 pi minus pi, the answer is 5 pi by 3. Now I would verify the answers. So on both angle 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3, the answer should come negative square root of 3 over 2. So we'll check. Sine of 4 shift with pi over 3, that is negative 3 square root over 2. The answer is verified. We'll check the next. Sine 5 shift pi over 3 bracket close. Yeah, so it shows that our answers are correct.